everyone. Welcome to Virtual Kids in the Kitchen. I'm Miss Jenny from the West River branch, and today I'm going to be building a Pop-Tart house, which is just like a gingerbread house that you might make at Christmas time, only made out of Pop-Tarts. So all we'll need for this today are Pop-Tarts. You will use 6 of them, so you have your box right here. You'll also need some kind of frosting, which will be the glue that holds your house together. So I have a can of vanilla frosting here. And I'm going to use some candy to decorate my house. So I have some Valentine's Day candy hearts. You can use whatever you think looks festive and would be beautiful on your house, okay? You'll need a knife, a butter knife to spread the frosting, and then a plate to build your house on. So that's it. And to get started, you are going to take 2 of your Pop-Tarts, just like this. I'm gonna put them right out. And we're gonna cut the top corners off to make a point, and these will be the front and back of your house, okay, the ends. So we'll do that first. We'll just kind of chop that off there. Get those out of the way. And then you'll use 2 more Pop-Tarts to be the side of your house, and then 2 more to be the roof. So I'm gonna start with one of the sides, and I'm gonna get my frosting out just like this. Okay, and we are going to spread frosting along one of the long edges, just like this. And this is going to help hold it to your plate. Okay, just like this. This is going to be kind of a messy project, so you might get frosting all over your hands. Okay, and it will stand just like that. It might not stand on its own right away, so I'm going to let it lay off on its side, and then I'm going to get what will be the front of my house, okay? So we're also going to put some frosting on the bottom so it sticks to the plate, just like this. And then I'm going to put some up one of the sides so it sticks to the other wall, like that. Then hopefully, there. So we've started building our house. We have a side wall and we have a front. So I'm going to take the other side and we'll do the same thing. We are going to put frosting along one of the long edges. That'll be the bottom, so it sticks to our plate, just like this. And then, make sure I get it on the right side, put some on this side so it sticks to the other wall, just like this. There we go. So now we have 2 sides and we have a front, and now I'm going to take the back of the house, the other side with the point, and we will go ahead and put frosting on the bottom so it sticks to the plate again. Do some frosting on both sides here so it sticks to our other 2 walls, just like this. And you might get frosting all over your hands. We'll go like this. And there we go. We've got 4 walls to our Pop-Tart house. So now we have to put the roof on, okay? So that's what our other 2 Pop-Tarts. Our last 2 Pop-Tarts will be the roof, and this might be really messy. We're going to use a lot of frosting on this, okay? Because we do need to put frosting on all 4 sides. So don't worry if you get it all over your hands. Maybe you can lick your fingers off if you like frosting. I know I'm getting it all over myself right now. So we're just going just like this. And we are going to set it like that. So now we've got one side of a roof on our Pop-Tart house, and we have to put the last piece of roof on. So we'll take our last Pop-Tart, and we'll get more frosting all over ourselves and our Pop-Tart probably here. All 4 sides. We're going to spread it on just like this. And Pop-Tarts are, they've got crumbs everywhere. Pop-Tarts are very crumbly, aren't they? That's okay. We'll clean up when we're done. Got this. So there we go. Lots of frosting. And we will attach. There we go. It's not the most beautiful house. The roof is a little bit crooked and off-centered, but you can see how we have assembled it, right? We use 2 Pop-Tarts for the roof, and then we've got our 4 walls, and there's kind of some holes in it, but that's okay, because we can use candy to decorate and maybe cover up some of the spots like that. So again, we're going to use our frosting like glue. So got my candy hearts right here. I just put some frosting on the back of them. And I'm going to stick them right to the roof of my house. And you can do whatever candies you want, whatever you think will look fun and festive. You can put as many on as you want, whatever you think. It's your Pop-Tart house. Okay, so I'm just going to do a few more like this. I've got frosting all over my hands. And there we go. I just put some along my roof like that. And it's a pretty fun, festive Valentine's Day Pop-Tart house that I've made. Okay, and so you can build your own and you can leave it just like this and look at it, or you can try taking it apart and eating it and seeing how it tastes. And that's it. It's a simple, fun activity snack to put together, okay? Thank you for joining me for Kids in the Kitchen. See you next time.